Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean. I'm super excited to be here and to talk with you all down in the comments below while I'm traveling. You all have been traveling for the past few weeks and it has been beautiful, but it has been busy and I'm juggling the world of YouTube. But I'm so happy when I'm traveling in the airport, on the plane, in a hotel room, in a coffee shop, restaurant. I get to talk with you all in the comment section because I see your comments below my videos and I am actually answering your questions as they come. So one of my subscribers asked if I can do the difference between the Dior serum versus the Chanel serum. And the Dior serum is really an essence. It's called the Dior Hydra Life Deep Hydration Sorbet Water Essence. Y'all, I don't know why they make these names so long. And then Chanel has the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. So let's go into the key differences, let's go into the benefits, and let's also take a deep dive into the pros and cons so that you can decide which one you want to go with. I always think it's best to know the ingredients as well as the benefits that it's giving, and also the pros and the cons, because it really helps you to narrow things down. And I don't know if my subscriber is on the fence about which one she should go with, and that's the reason why I really want to break this down. And maybe there's someone on here that actually wants to, experience Chanel or Dior, and they're on the fence with these two as well. So without further ado, let's get started. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Sean. My background is microbiology and biochemistry. I bring science to beauty here on this channel. And I also love to do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, skincare tutorials, skincare reviews on here as well. And I'm really excited that Shank's Beauty Bar is about you. You leave your questions down below. I feature them here on the channel. So like, subscribe, and share, and be a part of this growing community. So without further ado, friends, let's get started. Okay, friends, so for the sake of this video, we're going to call it Dior Serum versus Chanel Serum. Now, even though this Dior product is named in essence, the reason why we can call it a serum, it's 3-in-1. It's your serum, your toner, and your essence all in one. So their technology is much different from Chanel because Chanel is just a true serum, okay? But for the sake of this video and the ease of keeping up with what this is, we're not going to go too deep into the woods with the names. So let's talk about the Dior essence and some key ingredients. The first thing we're going to talk about is the mallow extract. This is great for strengthening the skin's barrier. And I've talked about the skin's barrier and the microbiomes in my Skincare 101. Segueing into the microbiomes, there is the Herbalia flower in here that helps to strengthen your microbiome community. And I am a huge proponent of the microbiomes, as I have broken down in many videos, because they are very important to prevent metalloproteinases, MMPs, from degrading the skin over time. There's also hyaluronic acid in here, plumping up the skin, pulling water from the atmosphere onto the skin. Now, here's the key that I will always tell you all. Ask Siri, what is the humidity index in your city? If it's not between 30 and 50% and it's less, you're going to have to use this product and then spray with rose water, cucumber spray, whatever it is that you're going to use. Lavender spray. Mario Badescu has a lot of sprays. So does Chantecaille, and another hydrating one. Ayurveda is one I talked about before in previous videos. The next key ingredient in here is going to be your vitamin C, which is also great for brightening up the skin. Okay, so you've got the key ingredients and you also have their benefits. So now let's go into the pros of this product. Okay, so it's ultra lightweight. Summer is coming. This is going to be great to use on the skin, right? We don't want to use something so heavy during the day. I love to use my heavy products during the nighttime or in the winter time during the day. That's how I use my heavier consistency products. Now, this is also one that is strengthening the microbiomes. I just talked about that. So that is definitely a pro. That is what we want all year round. All right. Now, the downside to this is the vitamin C in here is subtly brightening the skin because this is a vitamin C derivative, which brings me to thinking that it is more of an L-ascorbic as opposed to more of an activated C, because it's subtly brightening the skin. So the concentration isn't as high, and it's not a true it's not a true serum like your Chanel is. So that's another difference there that I want you all to see. Who is this best for? This is best for your oily and combination skin types. Okay, this is cooling, it's refreshing, it's lightweight. When you're more of a dry skin, you want to use something a little bit more rich that's going to really get into the layers of the skin and really deeply hydrate the skin and give you that buoyancy that you're looking for. You won't get that with this one. So the cons behind this product is that it's not rich enough, especially for my dry skin types. Not a true serum, like I mentioned earlier, like the Chanel serum. And if you're one that's sensitive, this has fragrance present. So you may end up with contact dermatitis because there is a presence of fragrance, and you may want to ask your dermatologist if this is the way to go if you really want to dabble into this world of the Dior essence. For Chanel serum, let's get into this. We're talking key ingredients and benefits. Camellia alba PFA. This is going to bring hydration, and it is an antioxidant. So really helping to balance out those free radicals to keep your skin healthy and clear. The next thing we have in here is hyaluronic acid. Again, delivering plumpness to the skin, and you want to ask Siri just in case you need to bring in some secondary substitute that is going to be for that water that you wouldn't get from the atmosphere if the humidity index is in the trash. There's blue ginger extract as well. This is really great for boosting the skin's defense systems. Then lastly, we have the microfluidic technology. Now, all this means is that these ingredients are encapsulated in like little beads, and when you put it on your skin, it delivers gradually that deeper hydration. So then who would this be for? This would be for your dry skin types, right? Dry to normal skin types can go after this. Now, let's talk about the pros of this product. It is silky and luxurious. It's tacky. It's for the dry and normal skin types. And it's a true serum. So that's what you're getting as a pro with this particular product. And another key benefit for both of these products I wanted to preface is that they're antioxidant rich. So they're helping to protect the skin. And talking about protecting the skin, let's go into the cons of this. Because if you're a sensitive skin type, none of these ingredients matter because this has fragrance in it. And again, this is something you're going to have to ask your dermatologist, because if you have eczema, psoriasis, if you're sensitive skin, then, products that have fragrance in them, you definitely want a dermatologist to tell you if you can, because you don't want anything to cause a flare-up or contact dermatitis to occur. The other con with this is that the price point is high. So if that's not what you're trying to spend, then I definitely say this would not be, Chanel serum would not be the way to go if you're looking for a reasonable price point. The other con is that it can feel tacky, right? So if you're not into having like a heavier, silkier, more luxurious and tacky serum, then this would not be the jam for you. So which one is better? And here is my recommendations and final verdict. If you are oily to combination, Dior Hydra Life Essence, okay? If you're looking for something that's a little bit more heavier and giving you even deeper hydration, then definitely Chanel Beauty. The most luxurious experience though, friends, with your skincare routine, then it's definitely Chanel. And if you want something that's lightweight, that is refreshing, then I definitely say the Dior Essence is going to be the way to go. It's super duper lightweight. If that's what you're into, and again, if you're oily or if you're combo skin, that's what you're going to go after. So I'm hoping that this video gives perspective. I'm hoping that it gives insight. I wanted to break this down in a way that you would understand and not get so deep into things that it gets you lost. But again, knowing the key ingredients, knowing the benefits, knowing the pros, knowing the cons of each will help you to better decipher which one is the right one and right path for you to take. So I really am hoping that I provided clarity to my beautiful subscriber who asked that question. And if you all have any other questions, leave it down below. The next video is going to be about the Dior beauty products that I want to recommend, especially for deeper skin tones, concentrating a little bit more on the foundations and their formulations so that you can find the right color cosmetics for you under the Dior line. And that is it, beautiful friends. I'm going to listen to some Miles Davis and call it a day. Alexa, play Miles Davis.